guys, and welcome to this video. I am Jamie, founder of BlackMomsGuide.com and the Black Mom Calm Shop. And in this video, I wanted to share with you a little bit more about the Affirm Your Calm audio. Just in case you were wondering, how do I use this? This seems cool, but I don't really know what to do with it. So just a little background. I have been using affirmations for about 10 years now, 10 years plus actually. And I think I heard about them back in 2007. And ever since then, I have been using them as a part of my morning routine to help me get through the day and even before I go to bed at night. And I really started to understand the power of using affirmations after having my daughter and wanting to make some changes in myself and in my life, some more positive changes. And affirmations were one way I was able to do that. So just in case you did not know, affirmations help you create a more positive, productive, and optimistic mindset. They help you stay focused on what you want instead of what you don't want. And that helps you to manifest more quickly and easily. Affirmations help you begin to make positive changes within yourself and in your life. And they bring you more joy, inner peace, and positive energy, which is, I think, is something we can all use a little bit more of, especially in this day and age. So with the Affirm Your Calm affirmation audio, you get 50 plus affirmations on inner peace, handling life's challenges, joy, letting go of the how and the when, self-care, and self-love. So again, like I mentioned, you might think that it sounds interesting and great, but you might be wondering, how do I use this audio? So I have a few suggestions for you for how to use this. So one way is to use it right when you wake up in the morning as a way to set a positive and peaceful tone for your day. You can use it while you are meditating. So it could be a guide that you can use, mantras you can use as you meditate. You can use them whenever you need to find calm during the day. So say you're having a chaotic and overwhelming moment and you need a moment for yourself, you can turn this audio on and listen to it as you breathe deeply to help you find your calm. And you can use it before you go to sleep or as you are falling asleep to hopefully help you get more rest and sleep at night. So those are just a few ways that you can use the Affirm Your Calm audio. If you're interested, you can go to the Black Mom Calm shop and download it for immediate access. So if you decide to buy it, when you decide to buy it, I hope you enjoy it and that it helps you to find your calm, your inner peace, joy, wholeness, and relief. Namaste.